Zaanse Schans, the Netherlands' most iconic windmills. Step into a village where Dutch history comes alive. Windmills, wooden clogs, and endless charm. Zaanse Schans, a postcard in real life. Keukenhof, where millions of tulips bloom every spring. Every corner has its own charm. Exploring one of the Netherlands' most beautiful parks. A place you'll want to wander for hours. Giethoorn, the village with no roads. Only canals, boats, and charming footbridges. It feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Would you spend a day here? The Netherlands deserves a spot on your travel bucket list. Which place would you visit first?